If you're afraid of the dark, remember the Night Rainbow by Cooper Edens. If tomorrow morning the sky falls, have clouds for breakfast. And if the night falls, use stars for streetlights. And if the moon gets stuck in a tree, cover the hole in the sky with a strawberry. And if you have butterflies in your stomach, ask them in to your heart. And if your heart catches in your throat, ask a bird how she sings. And if the birds forget their songs, listen to a pebble instead. And if you lose a memory, embroider a new one in its place. If you lose the key, throw away the house. And if the clock stops, use your own hands to tell time. And if the light goes out, wear it around your neck and go dancing. You see, she has a light bulb around her neck. And if the bus doesn't come, catch a fast cloud. And if it's the last dance, this is a good one. Dance backwards. And if your socks do not match, stand in a flower bed. And if your shoes don't fit, give them to the fish in the pond. And if your horse needs shoes, let him use his wings. And if the sun never shines again, hold fireflies in your hands to keep warm. And if you're afraid of the dark, remember the night rainbow. If there's no happy ending, make one out of cookie dough. I'm going to remember this other night rainbow picture for the end. If you're afraid of the dark, remember the night.